go.
Hi guys, I just got to FuZhou like not long ago, and I just got to my new hotel, and I feel like I have to show you guys. I'm stoked. Anyways, so this is the entry. Let me flip you around. This is the entry. You walk in and this is what you see. Wow, beautiful. Walk in, turn to the right. Wow. Let me just turn on the lights for you if I can find it. Yo. What is this? Yeah, I'm gonna film in 0.5 because you can see like everything. Shower, toilets, mirror. I love this. This mirror is ginormous, bro. Like, I'm enjoying this, okay? I walked past the cleaning lady like twice already, and she said good night to me twice. That's amazing. We have a bar spot thing, and then order your drinks or whatever. 3 bottles of water here, tea and stuff. And this is the room. There's mirrors everywhere, and I know that might be like bad luck or something, but like I like mirrors. It makes the room feel so good. So bad, so big. This is what I need. I need someone to do my freaking laundry. Okay, I don't know how this works, but I will figure it out. That's handy. Whatever this is. Oh, yo, I think that's all the TV channels. TV here. They even have a tea set for you if you feel like out of your day you want to like do some tea stuff with the tea here, but obviously you gotta pay. A freaking desk for your meetings, bro. And they give you sneakers if you need to go jogging along the lake. What the heck. Anyways, it's beautiful, bro. Lighting amazing. They even give you fruits and a peeler and fork and knife. What is this, bro? This is so good. And then like, yes, they even have this. So you can choose what type of pillow you would like out of these 4 options. So kapok pillow, buckwheat, space memory, lavender. And then you can pick whether or not you want a hard mattress, or you want ironing board, newspaper, tea, ice cube, or children's supplies like baffle, crib, footstool. But this thing kind of stuns me. You can choose what type of pillow you want. That's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, this is my room. I'm gonna enjoy. So far, I am really liking this room. Like, I think it might be even better than the Marriott hotel, but I don't know yet. We'll see. I'll let you know. Good morning. I'm going to the buffet for breakfast because a lot of hotels here have a buffet for breakfast. Kind of scared. I don't know why. That's my cue. This is my fit.
Oh yeah.
It's been pretty okay. Why? It's a view. I just finished breakfast. It was pretty good. And I literally come back like 30 minutes later, and my room is like kind of already cleaned. Fabulous. Anyways, I'm like low-key annoyed because this whole trip has been like really stressful. Like, it's basically like, yeah, the whole trip was to like come and see family, well, mainly my grandma, but we've already seen her now. That objective is over, and my parents suddenly like came up with like this whole ass plan to see basically all of our freaking relatives in China. Not all of them, but like most of them. But the issue is, I'm only here for 2 weeks. It's already been a week. This is the 4th place we've been to in this 1 week we've been here. And I'm just pissed off because like I want to have some free time, you know, do what I want to do. Like, I've asked like to go shopping. That's like not the main thing I want to do. Like, I just say I want to like go shopping because I want to like go out, you know. And then my mom was like, yeah, we'll go like this time or whatever. And then we need to fucking go. I was like pissed off because like they think, like, especially my brothers, they think that I just want to go shopping. I just want to go out and see the streets and whatever. And then my mom only came to this place specifically. This is where like her best friend lives or whatever. She has like a daughter. And my mom was like, oh yeah, like I really want you to talk to her and whatever. And then we did, and I ended up really liking her. And then like I thought like I was supposed to like hang out with her and live life here, because she was like, yeah, I want to take you to this place or whatever. I was like, okay, but turns out we're not even gonna be doing that because I don't even have any time to, because all we're doing is basically doing nothing. Well, it's not like I don't want to see family, but I literally was like to my parents, like, can we not go to this last place that we're gonna be going to? Because I want to stay in one place for a couple of days. And then like, okay, probably, yeah. And then turns out we're still fucking going, because we're gonna see like these other people when they literally told me that we were not. I don't know, I probably sound like a really big brat right now, but I'm literally just upset. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more, make sure to come to my Twitch or just subscribe. Thank you.